Hello my friend, are you struggling to get rid of your belly fat? It can be frustrating. No matter what exercise you do, the belly fat won't go. What if I told you there was a solution? I am going to show you an exercise. It was designed to focus on getting rid of your belly fat without sit-up or using weights. It works by massaging the stomach area. Our goal is to send the blood there. As our heart rate increases, the body needs more energy, burning the fat cells and getting rid of the belly. Let's get started. Both palms, massage your belly up and down. 1, 2.
Don't be shy. Rub as hard as you can. You need to go beyond the surface.
Massage in a clockwise position. 1, 2.
If you are rubbing at the correct strength, you will feel very warm from the friction.
Push your palm into your belly and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your forefinger onto your belly and push it in and release. 1, 2.
Push strongly. You will feel the resistance from your belly.
5. This time with both fists. Push it in, breathe into your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Ready? 1, 2.
Shout ha as loud as you can. We want to stimulate the body to get rid of your belly.
And with your palm and push it in and out 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push it in and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Shake your hand forward and backward. 1, 2.
Shake your hand from the wrist as fast as you can.
5. Hold your fist in this position and shake it forward and backward and bend your knee at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the side, outside and inside. 1, 2.
Go for it as much as you can.
4, 5. To the back of your head. Up and down. 1. And bend your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Both palms in this position and bring it out and shake it in this position. 1 and bend your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Hold your fist. Breathe into your nose and breathe out. Ha! Breathe in. Ha! 1. Breathe in. Ha! 2. Breathe in. Ha! 3. Breathe in. Ha! 4. Breathe in. Ha! 5. Breathe in. Ha! 1. Breathe in. Ha! 2. Breathe in. Ha! 3. Breathe in. Ha! 4. Breathe in. Ha! 5. Breathe in. Ha! And relax yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stop. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower your hands down slowly. Do this 2 times a day for 3 weeks and let me know how you get on. If you click on the notification bell, you will be the first to receive my new natural method videos.